The ISU Health Center is open to care for students, faculty, and staff. The visitation fee for students is free. The ISU Health Center is open Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., and closed daily for lunches from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Patients are asked to call first before going directly to the health center. The number is 208-282-2330, and it can also be called for after-hours emergencies. The ISU Health Center, for now, will only have tests run for COVID-19 on patients who have specific criteria. Tests are in a short supply locally. The ISU Health Center also cares for patients who need immediate assistance, those with broken bones, lacerations, or serious abdominal pains. For students in Idaho Falls, call Sterling Urgent Care at 208-542-9111. For students in Meridian, call Unity Health Center at 208-895-6729. For more information on COVID-19, please refer to the Roaring Back website.